Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online lecture series by MRK Group of Institutions, Rewari. As we are very well aware, due to this pandemic of COVID-19, regular classes were not available for the students. We opted out this online mode of education for our students. In this lecture series by Sapna Jain, I would be giving you a brief of Introduction to Computer, and this course module is applicable to BTech first year students. The curriculum wise syllabus consists of the basics of computer and moving to the advance of computers, wherein you would be taught with the programming language, that is C programming language. Today in this first series of lecture, I would be briefing you with the very basics of computer, like what the computer is, what are the characteristics of computer, what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer, and what are the applications of a computer in our daily life. These all terminologies are very basic in nature. This would be a revision for all the basic knowledge that you have acquired throughout about the computer. So let me begin with the definition of computer. So a computer is an electronic device that is capable of processing your input into meaningful output. Based upon the instruction set that is being provided by the user, a computer processes your input data to provide the relevant output. If I see the workflow model of computer, a computer takes the input, it processes it and produces the desired output. Let me illustrate this with a very basic example. Like suppose you are taking two numbers, 2 and 2. These are your raw facts and figures. Now you are supplying these numbers as input to the computer. A computer would process them and you have given the instruction to add these two numbers. This would be the processing part. A computer would generate the desired output as 4. So this was the basic utility of computer if I begin with a very basic arithmetic operation. The next topic is with your characteristics of computer. As we are aware, computer find a variety of characteristics, and based upon these characteristics only, we are deploying them in our daily usage. The first and foremost characteristic of computer is speed. A computer is capable of performing millions and trillions of calculation in just a second. Means in just blink of an eye, you could perform many calculations. Means just if I calculate within a nanosecond, that is 1 upon 10 to the power 9th unit of a second also, a computer is able to perform a calculation. Next is accuracy. A computer has got a very advantageous feature wherein the errors that are being done by human, those are called as your human errors. Maybe the calculation error, maybe the diligence error, or maybe any other type, overburden error, the long lengthy files. These types of errors are actually not done by computer, and the results obtained by the calculations are very much accurate. The next feature is reliability. A computer is able to perform over and over again and again of calculation without failing. Even if you are asking for a computer to repeatedly perform an operation, the computer would do unfailingly and giving you the reliable results. The next feature is versatility. Versatility means a single device is capable of performing multiple functions. You could use this computer for programming. You could use this computer for research, you could use this computer for gaming as well, you could use it for education, or means a simple device is applicable in many fields, and this constitutes to your versatility feature. And the last but not the least, the computer provides you with an added storage capability where whatever the actions you are performing are stored in the memory over computer. Like I have taken in the previous operation these two numbers as provided as input, the processing and then the output also could be stored in the memory of computer. So these were the characteristics of computer. So moving on to the next topic, we would be dealing with the applications of computer. As we are aware, computer finds application in our day-to-day life. If I begin from the first and foremost of our field, the basic relevance of computer we are finding is in education. As you have seen in the current scenario, if we were not able to connect online with our students through computer, it wouldn't have been possible to conduct these online classes without a computer. So computer played a pivotal role in the education sector. Another application of computer is in research. Computer allows you to carry on the research functions for your advanced studies, and based upon these research, whether it is for scientific or technical advances, this computer provides you a platform to conduct those studies. Next one is your business and trade. As we are seeing, we are moving from traditional businesses to the online platform, the e-commerce. The e-commerce is finding boom through the usage of computer. Moving to the technical applications of computer, the computer is being used widely for the programming, be it any language, C, C++, Java. A computer finds a wide range of programming applications. And again related to e-commerce, these were your banking requirements that was using computer for its application. So what you could see, the computer find a wide range of application ranging from your daily life, moving on to the advanced section as well. The next topic is with the basic advantages and disadvantages of computer. The advantages of computer. Computer has got the unique feature to perform the same task repeatedly and with accuracy. This is an important feature. As we have seen as humans, we have got the tendency, if we are asked to perform the same task again and again, we lose interest and there may be a possibility that we may create error into it. But a computer does it accurately every time, even if you are asking it to perform the same task for over 100 times. The next feature, the computer does not get bored. We as human performing the same task get bored, but the computer has got a unique feature that it does not allow you to get bored. And the third, even the computer could go ahead with the regular routine task wherein it could be programmed to carry out the multiple operations unfailingly. Again, when a device is being used, it has got certain disadvantages also. The first one, a computer does not have intelligence of its own. Means a computer will do everything as per the instruction provided by human beings. But it does not do anything of its own. Means the computer does not have any intelligence factor. The next, for the continuation of or operation of this device, the computer requires a continuous supply of electricity. Again, there should be a need for power backup. And the last you could see in the usage of this device, it includes certain cost factor also. So these were the particular basics of computer that we have studied about the definition of computer, the characteristics of computer, then the applications of computer in our daily life, and the advantages and disadvantages of computer. In the next lecture series, we would be dealing with the functional components of computer, the memory modules, the storage that we have discussed, and other advanced features with the basics of computer. That's all for this lecture series. Thank you and have a good day.